Namaste, welcome to Gita's Kitchen. Today we are making a very special sweet for the celebration of our YouTube family members, which has now grown to 2 lakhs. So let us celebrate by making the all-time favorite Mysore pak. This is the soft Mysore pak which will really melt in your mouth. So for that we need 1 cup of gram flour or besan, 2 cups of sugar and 2 cups of ghee. This is hot ghee, I have melted it and kept. So for the first step, we sieve the gram flour. So that there are no lumps at all. Next, lightly roast this gram flour over a low flame just for a few minutes so that the raw smell goes away. Next, out of this total quantity of ghee, I am taking about half cup and adding to this gram flour. Mix it together so that it forms a smooth paste. We have blended the gram flour and the ghee to a smooth paste. Now keep this aside. Next we'll make the sugar syrup. In another kadai, take the 2 cups of sugar and add just about 1 cup of water to it. Allow the sugar to dissolve and boil till the syrup comes to one string consistency. So first we'll wait for the sugar to dissolve. While we are waiting for the sugar syrup, keep a tray with some ghee spread on it like this so that it will be ready when you want to take out the Mysore pak. The sugar has dissolved and it has boiling. We want to make it the one string consistency. Let me show you. At this stage, we'll now add in this besan or gram flour dissolved in ghee. See, the ghee has been absorbed, so we'll start adding this a little bit at a time. The remaining ghee, again keep on stirring till this ghee is absorbed totally by the besan. See, whatever ghee we added has been absorbed. Now again add a small quantity of the ghee and continue stirring it till this ghee is also absorbed. See, it has started bubbling and that ghee is also absorbed. So from time to time, keep on adding a little bit of ghee. Again stir it, continue cooking till that much ghee is absorbed. Again more ghee and repeat the process. See, now it has started giving out the ghee and also frothing up. At this stage, switch it off and quickly transfer it into your container. I've taken a small cup and smeared the underside with the ghee so that we can just smoothen it out like this. Now leave it undisturbed like this, and when cool we can cut it into pieces. I have just about little more than 1/4 cup of ghee. This we can use for something else. Now it is slightly warm. We will make the markings so that we can cut it into pieces later on. You can cut it into square or diamond shapes or rectangles, whatever you like. When cool, just carefully take out the pieces like this. I got about 25 pieces of this size. See, I'll break one to show you how soft it is. Absolutely melt in mouth. I won't taste it now because the first set always goes as a prasad. So I'll just do the naivedya of this and so I have these sweets now ready to be offered to our little Mishka. Mishka, take one. Mishka, and all of you know Ruby and her lovely dahi vada. She is very famous for that on my channel.
Thank you.
And uncle also. कैसा है बताओ?
बहुत अच्छा, मत क्या, बहुत सॉफ्ट है.
Very good.
ரொம்ப நல்லா
अच्छा लगा Mishka?
ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு.
நல்லா இருக்கா?
இது soft.
Okay.
Excellent.
Thank you so much. And it is known as Mysorepa, not Mysore Pak, maybe because it is so very soft. So I want to thank you all, each one of you. We from Gita's Kitchen, thank you from the bottom of our hearts for being with us on this journey, motivating us, supporting us, and having this beautiful relationship. May this continue to grow. May our channel grow from strength to strength. We are really very happy and wish all the very best to our 2 lakh strong YouTube family. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Gita's Kitchen and please watch our videos for more such interesting tasty recipes. Thank you.